Hey yo, what's going on everybody? Today we got a brand new unboxing and review of a recent pickup. Alrighty guys, so before we get started onto this video, make sure you guys are smashing up that thumbs up button because it really does help the channel grow. If you are new around here, also make sure you guys are hitting that subscribe button because we are cruising to 1,000 subscribers. We are almost there and I know we can do that by February. And then also make sure you guys are hitting that post notification bell on so you get notified every time one of these slappers gets released. And without further ado guys, let us get right into this unboxing. So I actually ended up picking up my pair of these guys right here. So this is the Air Jordan 1 Yellow Ochre. Now these guys released yesterday over on the sneakers app, you know, the worldwide release. Kind of one of those hit or miss shoes. They did end up sitting, so if you do want a pair, you should actually be able to get these things possibly at a discounted price coming soon. I know that on Finish Line and JD Sports they are still currently sitting, so if you guys have a bunch of status points, you can actually use those to get status cash and also get that taken off the total. So you could probably pick these things up for like between 150 and 160 right now. So yeah, I guess you can consider these bricks or, you know, flopped or whatever, but I personally really love these shoes. I love any Chicago color blocking, so the fact that they came out with this, it's like a muted mustard color, I really dig it. That's why I picked them up. Let me know if you guys went for them and if you copped them down below in the comments. So here we go guys. So box is going to be an all white or sail box. You're going to have that yellow ochre color all over the top right there, around the side like this. This is basically pretty much going to be the standard when it comes to Air Jordan 1s now. They always try to match the box with the colorway that is being released. As you make your way over to the size tag, I did notice something a little bit interesting. So I picked these things up for Finish Line, so obviously they are 1000% legit. However, the size label, the font is definitely a little bit different. I'm going to show you guys up close right now what that font looks like, if you can see it right there. So there's the font, and then I have a couple other pairs of Jordan 1s right here. So here's a pair of the Stage Haze, for instance, and if you notice, the font is like taller and it's a little bit bigger than what the new one is for 2024. So if you guys can see this font right here, right, and then when you come to this, it's like a very small font and it's like much more bold. So pretty interesting. I don't know if they're switching up the size tag for 2024, but consider this is the first Jordan release of 2024. I don't know. Maybe that's something to note when it comes to Jordan 1s. Now, when you open up the box, guys, so you're gonna get your obviously your standard Jordan 1 lid right there. These things come individually wrapped. I took them out of the wrapping for video purposes, just so I don't have to mess with that. But you do get the extra set of laces right there. So you're gonna get the white laces that also come in the box. I actually pre-laced these guys up with white and black. It's actually a sail lace, so sail lace and then black, and you guys can determine which you like better. And here we go. So bang, you got the Air Jordan 1 Yellow Ochre in that classic Chicago color blocking. Really digging these, like I said, guys. So you know, it's a pretty simple shoe. It's going to be the exact same materials as the Air Jordan 1 UNC, or the University Blue Air Jordan 1s. I actually got them right here. So you're going to be able to do a quick little comparison. Exact same, let me grab this one real quick. It's the exact same materials that are being used. So you can literally tell from the ankle collar with that tumbled. You can tell on this ankle collar with the tumbled. You can tell the material is that premium nubuck and or suede. It's the exact same going all the way around. Obviously this is the 2024, so that is the remastered shape of the Air Jordan 1. However, the exact same materials, really buttery tumbled leather. I mean, they did a phenomenal job with this release. Now, with that comparison out of the way, let us just dive into the shoe. So like I said, you're going to get the yellow ochre all the way around. It's going to be the Chicago color blocking, so you're going to get it all the way up the toe, all the way up the eyelids right here, all the way to the ankle collar, and then the heel tab on the back as well. Like I said before, I laced them up with the sail and also the black. Let me know what you guys rather prefer down below in the comments. I personally really like the sail. I like when I match up the tongue, but the black is classic too. It actually pops a little bit more with the black. There's not much black on the shoe. So yeah, guys, so you're gonna get the all over yellow ochre nubuck and or suede. It is a really nice material, really nice nubuck or suede. My pair pretty much came flawless, no glue stains, no scuffs, no nothing. So pretty clean pair that I got right here. You're gonna get the sail laces, like I said, and let's do a little quick press test. You're gonna get that nice tumble leather on that toe box, nice feeling leather. You're also gonna get it all the way up to the medial of the foot right there, and really nice tumbled texture going on right there as well on that panel. Now the midsole on these guys is also going to be a sail. It is not a bright white, so you do get a sail midsole. I personally really like that. I think it sets it off with this color blocking because it is more of a muted color, so you get that really nice sail hit on there as well. Get the Jordan Wings logo in black, looking real crisp. You also are going to get the black Nike swoosh, standard black Nike swoosh leather right there. Now on the nylon tongue, you're also going to get the yellow ochre with that black Nike Air logo, and then on your insole you're going to get the yellow ochre with the black Nike Air branding. Now it is also interesting to note you're going to get this little tag that comes on the shoe right here. Usually whenever you have like a cracked material or a different type of material that Nike is using, you are getting this little tag. So it's going to read, please note the upper material is nubuck leather. Top color and base color of leather will pollute the shoe during manufacturing process, and the color will be brushed off after wearing, which is normal for this leather application. So it should be interesting to see how these wear over time. Potentially some color bleeding and or some fading effect that will happen to that nubuck. But like I said, same material as the University Blues, and those came out, I believe, in 2021. So, you know, my pair's still looking crisp, no color bleeding, no worn effect. So I think these things are going to hold up just fine. You might want to spray them with some type of applicant to you know, repel water and stains, because you are going to want to protect that nubuck. Other than that though, they should wear just fine. And then getting down to the bottoms right here on the outsole, you're going to get the all over yellow ochre outsole, which I think looks super clean, really nice. And like I said, guys, let me know what you guys think about these things down below. I mean, as far as the materials, the material is A1 on these boys, because really premium feeling, really soft leathers. The nubuck is really nice, like I said. And I just think this is a super clean colorway, guys. I gotta be honest with you. So I hit on Finish Line for the in-store pickup, and I also hit on Foot Locker. And when I got to the mall, I was really debating whether, you know, to grab two pairs of these guys. I ended up just going with one because they are under retail. I figured if I do want to double up down the line, should be able to get them at a discount. Or worst comes to worst, I most likely will be able to get for retail once again, because these things are sitting currently at the mall. When I went to go pick up my pair, they had a whole bunch already on the shelves. So obviously a lot made, but yeah, I mean, it's a clean colorway in my opinion, and I'm glad that I personally copped. Now, if you guys could, please let me know what you think about Air Jordan 1s overall down below in the comment section, because as we know, the Air Jordan 1, it was one of the most popular models of the Air Jordan 1. Personally, it is still my favorite. I love the Air Jordan 1 model. It's classic, it's timeless. You can wear them with anything. But, you know, since like 2020 till now, they've came out with so many Air Jordan 1s. I feel like most people think it's overplayed and or a little bit diluted in the market right now. I think that that's why you see a lot of Air Jordan 1s sitting. You can get them for discounts, you can get them for retail, except for the lost and founds. Honestly, there hasn't really been an Air Jordan 1 since that has really hit. I mean, you're going to have collabs and stuff like that that are obviously going to sell out, but like the Trophy Room Jordan 1 lows that are going to be coming out later this year, you know, those are going to be instantly sold out because they're also going to be backdoored, let's be honest. But, you know, other than collabs, there really is not going to be that many hitters for the Air Jordan 1s. Now, the Black Toe Reimagined will be releasing this year, so it's going to be super interesting to see if those things sell out instantly like the Lost and Founds did, or depending on how many pairs that they make, it might be an easy cop. I don't know. So we're going to have to wait to see about that. But please let me know all of your thoughts and opinions about the Air Jordan 1 in general and also the yellow ochres down below in the comments. That being said, guys, my name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill. Like I said previously, please smash the thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button, please, because we are cruising to that 1,000. I know we can do it with you guys' support. And that's it, guys. So, like I said, my name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill. Me and the Air Jordan 1 yellow ochres. We're out. Peace.